just installed my GPU vertical mount, and now for some reason, whenever I put the volume on, my speakers getting that ugly sound. So if you're going through the same thing, I read a lot of things online. I tried moving all the power sockets and everything, and what I was recommended was this here. These two, I got two of them. I'll tell you why in a second. And then I also got this wire because maybe you're like me, because a lot of people just have speakers that just connect to the computer, and they showed it super simple. But I have a USB audio interface that has, I think they're quarter-inch cables, and they will not work with RCA jacks. So I have my speakers going through RCA into the back of my subwoofer, and in my back of my subwoofer going into my USB audio interface. And whenever I play games, the subwoofer gets a real loud buzzing sound, and it gets way worse whenever playing games. But here's another look at it real quick. Okay, well, I'm going to install these things right now, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I plugged in two of these, and I plugged one into from the subwoofer straight to the speaker, and it made a real loud buzzing sound, even louder than the previous one. So the solution makes no sense, but it works, so that's good. So what I did was I just connected one of these, as you see, just one, and this is going from here to this other cable that I showed you earlier into my audio interface. So that's how you fix that. The noise isolation, the ground loop, I mean. I tried everything. I tried switching all the wires everywhere. I moved my speaker to a different side of the room, and it just didn't work. But I've seen a lot of videos, and they just show you how to just plug it in straight to the computer. But like I said, if you have a subwoofer, also my speakers are plugged in through RCA cable. That shouldn't matter. You could also plug it in through those cables, through those inputs. And if you only have the quarter-inch inputs on your subwoofer, then the best thing would be is to buy two of those cables I showed you earlier and connect them through those there from male to female. And then there you have it. It works perfectly fine. I'll show you. I'll put this all the way up. Not a single sound. It works perfect in games and everything. I just tested it out. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a good one.